Welcome to TechTipa channel. My name is Asif and I wish you a very happy new year. I pray that this new year brings a lot of happiness, a lot of prosperity and good health to you. And I also wish that you do things faster so that you save some time for your loved ones and for the things you care about. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 apps that you can use to get things done faster so that you can save some time for your loved ones and for the things you love and care. We're starting this video after this intro. So the first app I'm going to talk about is a keyboard, because majority of us spends most of our time on mobile phones, writing emails, posting updates on Facebook and Twitter, chatting on WhatsApp and other instant messengers, and doing whatnot. The more app we use, the more typing we do, and making a little change to our keyboard can literally save a lot of time. So I suggest you use SwiftKey, which is an amazing app because the prediction it offers is quite personal. It learns from your own previous chats and knows what words you are going to write. And I have personally used it. I have been using it from a very long time, and I can say that 99% of the time the predictions are quite right. And I would like to give one more tip, that you can also add your own acronyms. Like, this feature is available on iOS devices where you can create your own shortcuts for the keywords, for the phrases you use on a daily basis. For example, assuming that you use "in case you missed it" phrase quite a lot of time, you can set an acronym of it, something like INCY, so that when you have to type "in case you missed it," you can just type INCY and you will be able to type the entire phrase in a single tap. So this is quite an amazing thing, and you can save a lot of time by switching to SwiftKey. So the next app is Evernote app, and I have been a fan of this app from a very long time. I dump all my ideas, tiny pieces of information that I would require in future. I dump all those things inside the app, and this is an amazing app. It is basically a virtual notebook where you can save your ideas, do whatever you want, and it lets you create different notebooks in which you can store as many notes as you want, and you can not only save notes in just text format, you can also save pictures, you can also save voice notes. And the best thing is that it also lets you put reminders on those notes. For example, in my use case, I can take a picture of the insurance document of my bike and then save it in a note and put a reminder for the next year when the renewal is due, and forget about it. And I don't even have to remember where I have kept these documents, because the app is going to remind me whenever the renewal date is due, and all I have to do is simply tap on the notification and view the document, and I can even print it directly from the app. So this is just one example. What this app lets you do is not only take pictures but also scan the documents. So the pictures of the documents that you'll be taking, it will be converted into a beautiful, a clean document that would look like something that you have scanned from a proper scanner. So the Evernote app has already got this feature built into it, so you don't have to install a 30 MB app just for scanning documents. You can scan documents directly inside the Evernote app and save it also, and put a reminder for the renewal dates. So you can save notes, and you can put tags also, like a tag, a document tag for all the documents that have been saved, so that you can tap on the documents and get all the documents that have been tagged under the document tag. I have written a detailed article about Evernote that you can find in the I button or somewhere in the description. I will put that link in the description or in the I button. You can check it out if you want to. And talking about to-do list apps, I have got an amazing to-do list app that is my third recommendation, and that is Wunderlist. So the Wunderlist app has many features, like you can create different lists and keep it in folders for better organization. Like, you have a personal to-do list, you have a work to-do list, you have a to-do list for movies you want to watch, and on and on and on. You can simply use it for anything, any kind of list. And one of the features that I really love about Wunderlist is the repeated tasks. So you can set repeated reminders for things like paying electricity bills, writing checks, or giving out salaries, or anything that is. You can set a reminder for going cycling on the weekend on a particular time, and you don't have to worry about all these things. You don't have to remember all these things. You can simply dump it into this app and it will do its job. It will remind you whenever it is due. So I really love this feature because I don't have to remember all these things. I can simply dump it into this app and it will remind me whenever it is due. And I can save some resources of my brain so that I can use it for creating videos for you guys. And I would really appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more content like this. It would really help me. Moving on, next, my fourth recommendation would be the 7-minute exercise. So last year I spent around 1.5 hours per day or 9 hours per week inside the gym. After 2 or 3 months, I had to stop because I was behind the schedule of doing all the things. All my tasks were pending, so I had to stop, and I finally decided to use this app called 7-minute exercise, which is an exercise app, and all the exercises are simple exercises that do not require any kind of equipment. That means you can do these exercises anywhere you want, anytime you want. And this literally saved a lot of my time. I know that health is important because health is everything. So you should install this app and you should use it. So doing 7 minutes of exercise means completing one circuit. So if you're not satisfied with just one circuit, you can do multiples. And even doing multiple circuits would mean you will still be saving more time than you would save by going to a gym. And mind you, use this app if you want to stay healthy, and if you want to build muscles and stuff like that, then you really need to go to the gym. But for regular fitness and you want to stay healthy, you want to stay fit, you want to feel good, then this app is perfect 10. Moving on, next, my fifth recommendation would be Google Files Go, that was launched few months ago. And this app lets you access contents on your mobile phone in an easy folder-like environment. I'm sure you might already be aware of such apps like ES Explorer, which is one of the best apps, and I have been using it from last few years. But just a while ago, I thought of using Google Files Go app, and I really liked it. The purpose of this app is to basically save some space on your mobile phone by giving you suggestions what you can delete. Google's machine learning works behind the app to analyze and notify you what apps and files you can delete to clear out some space on your mobile phone. So this lets you do more than just one thing, that is accessing content on your mobile phone. It also lets you manage space on your phone. That is the primary purpose of this app. And apart from all this, the Google Files Go app also lets you send files from one device to another. You might already be familiar with ShareIt app, Xender, and more apps are there in the Play Store. Since I mentioned that I love apps that can do multiple things, installing this app itself will save some of your data because you won't be needing other apps like ShareIt and Xender. And that is why this is my fifth recommendation of the best apps to get stuff done faster in this year. So this is it in this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel because I really need your support to make awesome content for you guys. So please subscribe and turn on the notifications if you want to be the first to watch our videos. This is it. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.